It's wonderful to be here this morning, and thank you all for coming. I am representing RAPA this morning, which is a human rights organization in Manchester. And I'm really very grateful for all of you here, because I've had a wonderful experience living in Manchester. The fascists who are trying to kick us out from Manchester are cowards. And I'm here to tell them that they are cowards. In fact, what I can say now is that I'm going to throw a challenge to the EDL. I want them to send a representative, and I will represent a number of organizations in Manchester, especially migrants. Let us ask ourselves questions with regards to the history of the UK. If they fail to answer those questions, I think they should be sent to Antarctica. EDL, if you are listening, my name is James Fala Williams. I'm waiting for your response. Thank you.